Was part of a session in 1969 that Elvis recorded, one of his greatest recordings and greatest arrangements of all time. It's called Kentucky Rain. Listen. Seven lonely days and a dozen towns ago, I reached out one night, you were gone. I don't know why you run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and never hits another town that I go walking through with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to an old gray-bearded man sitting on a bench outside the general store. He said, yes, she's been here, but his memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. I finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I exclaimed, and he left me